Now, looking at how to comply with the CCPA very briefly, compliance with the CCPA is similar to compliance with other laws. So it's multifaceted. It involves honest review, planning, and technical and legal implementation. And of course, the review part is not something that we can do for you or that any company can do for you. It's something that you must do for yourself. So you need to make sure you have an honest look at your processes. How do I process data? What are my actual purposes? Who do I do business with? Who do I share information with about consumers? Do I keep track of this? Do I have a way of contacting my subcontractors to inform them to stop selling a user's information if they've opted out? So these are some of the questions that you can ask yourself. And that's just in the assess and review stage. The next thing here is to make the required disclosures, which fall under both the opt-out right as well as the right to be informed, and a bit under the right to access. Honor the exercise consumer rights. So if a consumer requests or exercises their rights for any one of the points, make sure that you honor them and don't discriminate against those consumers exercising their rights. Another important thing is to add a DEMSI link. Once again, that's do not sell my personal information link to your website. That is a must if you are sharing consumers information. You want to make sure that you have that link because that is directly required. And the other thing here is to periodically review your process. And that's really important because businesses grow, they change, you add new third parties, new subcontractors, and the law requires that you keep all of your documents up to date.